In this video, we're going to do a quick overview of the DJI Force Pro. The Force Pro is an intuitive camera movement and control system that allows users to remotely operate gimbal systems with incredible accuracy. For ease of illustration, we are showing the Force Pro mounted on a tripod using the included adapter clamp. DJI also offers an optional handle mount for handheld operation. The onboard USB-C port supports quick charging, or you can use the DC-in port to charge using an external power supply. Setup is simple. Just install the antenna to the top of the unit, attach the included DJI wireless receiver, and connect it to a DC out port on the Ronin-2. Press the bind button and the LED indicator should flash on. Next, go into Settings and select Start in the Bind Remote menu. The progress bar should turn green to indicate a successful binding. You can also use a CAN bus cable to connect directly to the Ronin-2. The icon on the UI should change to indicate that a wired connection has been established. The Force Pro's 3 dials adjust movement speed on each of the 3 axes. The side dial is for roll, the top left is pan, and the top right controls tilt. Note that at speed 65 on each axis, the Force Pro has been tuned to achieve a perfect 1:1 movement ratio with the gimbal. Pressing and holding the sleep button temporarily disables the unit. Pressing and holding C1 allows you to reposition the Force Pro to match the orientation of the camera. Pressing C2 will recenter the gimbal. Note that these are the default functions and that both C1 and C2 are fully customizable. That's it for our overview. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more DJI tutorials.